Okay, so this is about ready to go in the freezer. And I just want it to freeze up enough that firm enough that I can actually pull it off of the parchment paper. Another thing you can do is actually go ahead and take this piece and pop it on top. And we'll just slide this 8-inch board underneath, lift the whole thing up, and we'll pop it in the freezer just like this. And actually get some of that excess off right now before it goes in the freezer so it doesn't make a huge mess. Okay, so I'll go ahead and pop this in and I'll clean up my mess and we'll get back to the burner. Okay, here we are back and we are ready to assemble our hamburger. So I've got the bottom part of the bun here. I've got a 14-inch cake board that's covered in white. I've got all of my lettuce, all my veggies and everything ready to go on. I've got my french fries over here. Right here I've got my mustard, okay, again, which is, it's lemon yellow and a golden yellow mixed together with a tiny touch of brown in there. And I put them in a bag with a tip number 8. I've also taken the same yellow, lightened it up with some white to make, that's going to be our sesame seeds and our seeds for our pickles. Then we've got the red here, and that's in a tip bag in a tip number 8, and that's going to be our ketchup. And then I've got some green here mixed with some white, and I'm going to show you, this is a variation on the lettuce. It's a way of doing it in buttercream, and I'll just show you that a little later, just so you have that knowledge also. Over here I've got some golden yellow, and that's going to be our cheese. I've got the extra cake crumbs here just in case we need it. And what we're going to do is go ahead and put our bun on this. So remember that that bun is on another cake board underneath. So what I want to do is just go ahead and pop some of the double-sided tape down. Then take our bun. What you want to do first is get a spatula, and you want to loosen it around the base. Okay, if you don't do this, what can happen is you pick up the bottom part of your bun and some of the icing can stay on the board, which you don't really want. So we'll go ahead and lift that off and place our bun, and I usually will offset it a little bit. Okay, so over here is actually going to be the front, and that's where I can put my extra pickles and french fries. Okay, so that's nice and secure, and we're ready for the next step.